So boom, welcome back to Process Over Profits with your boy LEELY4x, also known as Pure Paperboy himself. Crazy day in the markets today. I want to make a video earlier, but had a busy day today, so here I am now. So I'm gonna do pretty much what I'm seeing, how my trade went, and the current trade I'm in. So boom, daily timeline. A lot of confluences. Start with market structure for a bit. This is how I'm seeing market structure, how I seen it. And this is off the daily time frame. And this is just quick. Up, down, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So this is pretty much how I'm seeing market structure on the daily time frame. And I'm just seeing this now. This downtrend. Triangle pattern, so alright, so boom. Seeing all this now. We can see we came down bullish, strong impulse to the upside, strong correction to the downside, gave us this wick, made a lower high, and this is a key level that I was looking at. You can see there's also this gap over here. So boom, gave us this lower high, higher low, higher high. However, it failed to break above this previous high, indicating that we are gonna go lower, which we did. Higher low, lower high, and then gave us pretty much, you can also see like a head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break of the neckline around here, and now continuing down. So with all that being said, this area was a very key area because that was the last higher low previous to us failing to make a higher high. So once this breaks, that was a strong indication for the sells. So I'm just gonna go down to the lower time frames, and as also you can see, just based on today's bias, that we broke this daily trend line that's been since October of last year. And you can also see like, shit, we just been going up. But what I'm seeing now, like 4,000 could be incoming. Like, who knows? We're just gonna take it one trade at a time. But yeah, let me go down to the lower time frames, just so I can kind of show you what I was seeing. So last night we got that pullback. To our previous support level, which gave us that higher low on the higher time frames and continued down. So we got that pullback entry on the 1 hour. Boom. We could have took it for the 3-to-1, but instead we took it for the whole 4 hour candle and ended up getting something crazy. 8-to-1. We got a solid 8-to-1 last night. So just going down to the time frame, we could have like crazy moved to the downside, could have held in, got like an 18-to-1 or something crazy, but we're grateful for the profits that we got. Definitely, I had my TP down here at this 4,700 level, and yeah, I want to see whether we were gonna break or give us some type of support, and we broke, hence why now I entered off the 1 hour here, gave us that rejection off of that daily trend line. So I'm hoping that we hold, and then basically taking it back down to previous day lows. But to be honest, I have my TP open down to about 44.15 if we can get momentum. But right here, saw 3-to-1. I'm happy with that regardless. So yeah, TP's open, trade is in, wake up the daily trend line 1 hour entry. Crazy day today. Crazy day today. If gold's gonna be doing this, like, He's crazy. Oh, damn, where's my arrow? These crazy impulses down. Crazy impulses down. I'm hoping that I can get another impulse down. And this is a potential double bottom. With support here at 45.75. You know, with 4,500 as a very strong level support. So this could potentially just continue on up. Give us and then we look for buys above 4,700, really up to 4,800 if we do go higher and break above into this daily trend line, this bullish daily trend line. That would give me confirmation for wanting to buy, especially with this double bottom. So I could take an L here, and if I take the L, then obviously it's going to be going up. So I'm potentially looking for buys just based off the 1 hour structure, going the double bottom, potential double bottom here. But yeah, crazy day today. Like I seen over here, personally, I believe we're still bearish, unless my trend line's off. But even if I adjust my trend line, if I adjust it damn, where's my arrow? If I just adjust it down to here, you can still see that we broke on the daily. Also, what I was talking about, this level, this 46.55 level. Let me go down just to the 1 hour, just to give you the reason why I had a little. That's the reason why I got into this 1 hour trade as well. Also, besides it rejecting off of the daily level support, you can see here on the 4 hour. 4 hour is very clear. This 46.55 level, which was the very bottom here, before this impulse up, we closed below it. Then we opened above it, and then that 1 hour rejected and gave us the retest below this 46.55 level. So that's kind of another reason why I'm in the trade. Potentially could get that beautiful entry at the top and then take it down. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. This 4 hour closes bearish and just continues downward momentum. And that's pretty much it. Process over profits. I had to wait mad days, took mad L's. I think I'm probably like 1 for 4, but this 1 L, 8-1, cleaned up all those L's. So it's a good week right now. If this trade hits TP, I'm done for the week. If it doesn't, then I'll be looking to take that buy. And I'll give you guys an update, another breakdown of what I'm seeing. I guess over the weekend, I'll give another update of what I'm seeing for the forecast for next week based on how tomorrow closes. And also an update on how this trade plays out. All right. Process over profits.